evangelist C.D. Brooks. We've cried together, we've prayed together, and I just believe that he is an awesome mouthpiece for God. He's going to bring us God's message for this hour. But before he comes, another awesome preacher will come and minister to you with the velvet tones that God has given him. You pray, T. Marshall Kelly will sing, and C.D. Brooks will preach, and the Holy Ghost is going to have a time.
It's nobody's fault but mine. Nobody's fault but mine. And if I die and my soul be lost, it's nobody's fault but mine. God hath sent his Son. Jesus came and paid the price. The Holy Ghost has entreated my soul, and it's nobody's fault but mine. I got a Bible I can read if I choose. I got a Bible I can read if I choose. So if I die and my soul be lost, it's nobody's fault but mine. I got two knees and I can pray if I choose. I got two knees and I can pray if I choose. So if I die and my soul be lost, it's nobody's fault but mine. It'll be nobody's fault but yours and mine. Nobody's fault but yours and mine. And if we die and our souls are lost, it'll be nobody's fault but mine. Can't blame my mother, 'cause it's mine. Can't blame a father, 'cause it's mine. And if I die and my soul be lost, it'll be nobody's fault, nobody's fault, nobody's fault but yours and mine.